Every day the phone it rings with offers oh so bland. Your air ducts need cleaning, a voice from distant land. Promises of cleaner air, but trust it's just a scam. They're miles away with no real plan, their words just flim and flam. They say they're near, just round the block with deals you can't resist. But when you probe, the story flops, their location's just a mist. No face to see, no truck in sight, just endless calls persist. It's time to choose the team that's right and cross them off your list. So when the phone begins to sing the tales that sound and miss, remember who your true friends are in a world as wide as this. Ring, ring, spell a lot, the calls you won't miss. Just call Vacu-Man for cleaning done with bliss.